So many people pass by each day. I look at their faces all the time. I yearn to see a smiling heart. Smiling faces I see though sometimes, but I know most are fake. Hearts are sad and anxious, too busy with the roles they play in this world. It is so easy to be happy. Why can't these humans learn that? They just like to see the dark and negative side of things. Why? Every cloud is a silver lining. Isn't this what they teach themselves? Huh? And yet,
ए खुदा, किस चीज की सजा दे रहा है तुम मुझे? मुझसे ऐसी क्या खता हो गई? न बारिश, न पानी, मेरी सारी फसल बर्बाद हो गई। मुझ पर कितना कर्जा है, कितनी जिम्मेदारियां हैं, क्या तुझको मुझ पर रहम नहीं आता? ए खुदा, ये मेरा आखिरी खत है। यदि तुम हो तो मेरी मदद करो।
I have everything in this world. I have houses every corner in the country. I have a huge bank balance. People envy of my car collections. I give employment to thousands. But yet, nobody respects me. People talk behind my back. My own family uses me as their personal ATM machine. My employees hate me. What is the use of such life? What is the glamour of this wealth? Why God? Why? Why I'm so unsatisfied? Why can't I find happiness when I have everything? I can buy everything. Why God? Why?
कोई मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता। No one loves me. कोई मेरे साथ खेलता तक नहीं। अकेला हो गया हूँ। क्यों बचाया उस दिन मेरी माँ ने मुझे आग से? ऐसी सूरत से तो मर जाना अच्छा था। I hate my mother. I hate my mother. It's all I want. I just want to end this all. I just want to end this all.
Everywhere I see my face, it's all over the screen. Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Can money buy everything? Can money buy your friendship? No. मेरे पास सब कुछ है, गाड़ी है, बंगला है, नौकर चाकर है, लाखों के जूते हैं, लाखों की घड़ियां हैं। क्या फायदा है सब चीजों का? बस जो नहीं है वो सिर्फ एक दोस्त। दोस्त है वो सिर्फ पैसे के। कभी सोचा नहीं था इतना अकेला पड़ जाऊंगा। I just want to end this all.
What is the matter, dear? You look really upset. You have been for some time now. I have noticed. Come on, tell me what is the matter. You know you can talk to me.
I'm just fed up of my life. I love my family. They are the most important to me. But if I expect a little love and respect, is that asking too much? Am I being selfish?
No, dear, not at all. You deserve it. You do so much for them. You deserve love and respect.
But they all just take me for granted. I'm just a housekeeper for them. My husband, he's always away at the club. You know, everyone makes fun of him there. But still, he prefers to stay there rather than home. My son and daughter, they think the house is a hotel and I, the personal room service manager. They come and go as they please and just ordered me around. I'm tired. I'm just very, very tired. Don't take me wrong. I love to do things for them. But if you get nothing in return, it's exhausting. I'm just suffocated of my life. I too had dreams. I gave them up all for nothing.
Here, dear. Now, don't you cry. You are a strong lady. What you need is some change and someone to talk to. This should solve your problems. Works for me every time.
अरे वाह पैसे। अरे ये क्या है? इसे पढ़ के तो दिखाओ।
प्रिय राम प्रसाद, तुम मुझसे बहुत नाराज हो, यही सही है, परंतु समस्या से भागना उसका साधन नहीं है। ये कुछ रुपए ले लो जिनसे तुम बीज तो खरीद सकते हो, परंतु क्या तुम बारिश खरीद सकोगे? इस पते पे जाओ और और अपने कष्टों का निवारण पाओ।
Why are you running away? You feel people run away when they see your face. But see, you run away when you saw my limb. तुम खुद से छुप रहे हो या सबसे? Yes, I heard you're complaining. I think you should visit this place.
Oh, what is this? ये किसने रखा है यहाँ पे? Sound like the best place to go and end it up all. I must go and see this.
ये क्या? I have got an answer to my queries. Let me go and check it.
आई ये क्या चीज है? कहाँ आ गया मैं? ये खुदा बचा मुझे, भागो।
अरे भाई भाग ही तो रहे हो, तभी तो यहाँ हो। थोड़ी मेरी भी सुन के जाओ।
What nonsense is this? Is this a joke? What is this place? I thought it said end it up all. I think I could kill myself over here.
No sir, only work and your ill temper will kill you. Just stay and let me humor you a bit.
This is just what I needed. Life directed by the biscuit screen and dictated by a toy. I only wish I was dreaming.
Another place to be humiliated. God, why are you doing this to me?
Please stay, all of you. I am Robert. I have invited you. You are my guest for the day. You see, people call me weird and peculiar, but that doesn't bother me. Why? Because I know I'm not entitled to look perfect and be perfect. Everyone wants to be perfect. They even want their situation to be perfect. But they forget that there is beauty in imperfection. It's the flaws that makes us human.
You are just a machine. Who are you to talk about what it meant to be human?
Yes, I'm not human, but I am more human than all of you. Let's talk about me. I am Robert, which means I'm part robot and part puppet. My robot part makes me think analytically and helps me connect to the world and understand how the world works. But I'm also a puppet, which means I have soft and flexible heart. This helps me look at the world through an empathetic lens and helps me connect to the people. Fun fact about me, I am over 1,000 years old, and for 1,000 years I have been observing you humans. And yet I don't understand you. Every one of you complains and complains and complains. Not one person I have seen is satisfied. You compare your life with others, which always makes you want more. Don't get me wrong, you should persevere, but don't strive for greatness just to match up with others. Strive for yourself. Among us, we have a businessman who have all the money in the world and a farmer who has nothing, and yet neither of you are happy. Why is it so difficult to be happy?
It's easy for you to say. Each one of us life is a rigorous cycle of maintaining responsibility. What responsibilities do you have?
This label of responsibility is only attached when you perceive it with resentment. If for a moment you don't, you might see these responsibilities as deeds. You say you haven't completed your dreams because of family and household work. But instead of grieving about the circumstances, ask yourself, why haven't you fulfilled your dreams? Dreams won't come walking towards you, you have to work towards it. Only then can you be happy.
और मैंने तो अपने सारे सपने पूरे कर लिए. What do you have to say about that?
Well, this may come off as rude, but this is the path of your choice. Your desire to become an actor has been attained. Now what are you going to do? Your problem is you don't have anything left to strive for. Look for hobbies, friends, spend time with family. Don't remain stagnant, evolve. Find your purpose, find your moxie.
Moxie? Well, mine was to make money, and I have tons of it. But yet, I'm unhappy. Do tell me, your lordship, what you have to say about this.
Your problem is your attitude. Have you heard of the saying, you reap what you sow? Well, that is what is hitting you. You have looked down on your subordinate and are elusive from family. You now have to redeem yourself. Apologize for your wrongdoing and help others, not from a sullen heart, but with a giving one.
मैंने सब कुछ सब दिया, पर बदले में मुझे क्या मिला? मैं क्या करूं, कहाँ जाऊं?
आप तो इस दुनिया के आनंददाता हो। यदि किसी वर्ष बारिश ना हो तो क्या आनंददाता डर जाएगा? यदि ऐसा हुआ तो ये सब मर जाएंगे। तुम्हारी जिंदगी में कष्ट हैं, परंतु तुम्हारे कर्म का मकसद सबसे ऊपर है। अपने उद्धारकर्ता के पास अपना इनाम पाओगे। बस अपने कर्म को करते रहो, खुशी खुशी। शायद तुम्हारी खुशी देख वर्षा देवता भी प्रसन्न हो जाए। And you, my little boy, how can you hate your mother? She is not the reason for your unhappiness. You are. You only see your burnt face, not the rest of yourself. You are the brightest in your science class. Your projects are always the pride of not just your school, but of the district. And you wanted your mother to let you die? Don't run and hide from yourself. People will learn to love you when you show your love with them. Seize the day, my friends. You all have such great talents, abilities, and beautiful hearts. Just look inside and you will find your contentment, joy, purpose, and above all, happiness. Go find yourself.